Hi everybody, today I will show you how to use Blockade Labs Skybox. Okay, so let's just begin. Okay, so first of all, I will just simply write down the Blockade Labs Skyboy. Alright, so as you can see here, we have this on the top of the search skybox.blockadelabs.com. Okay, so what it does, with the help of Skybox AI, you can actually generate the 360 image with the help of Blockade Labs. Okay, so now just click on the Skybox AI, and from here we will actually generate the 360 images. So let's click on the get started, and from here, as you can see here, we have this default sample here, and this is actually the 360 image. Okay, so that is looking great, and it is generated by the AI. Okay, so first of all, we simply sign up. So click on the free sign up here, and from here we can sign up with the email, with the Google account, Twitter, or the Discord account. So right now I would just simply sign up with the Google account. Okay, click on the accept, don't show this message, and confirm. Get started again. We could also use the Skybox without the sign up, but I prefer to sign up here. Okay, so what do we get here? We have the 360 image, and in the view we have the show UI, auto pan, and we have the view custom Skybox. So let's enable the auto pan, and it would auto rotate our 360 image here. So let's disable this right now, and you can simply drag the image to see the different parts of the image in the 360. Okay, so here, as you can see here, we have this prompt, so we can simply create our own world here. Okay, so I would like to write down that would be the battlefield in the galaxy. Okay, so from here we can actually choose the style of image generation. As you can see, the bunch of different options here. Okay, so right now I will actually go with realistic here, and I will click on the generate, and it would actually generate the 360 image for us based on the prompt that I have given here. And it can take a while. It actually depends on the speed of your internet as well. Okay, so we have our battlefield in the galaxy. So as you can see, the 360 image of our prompt here, so it is looking really great and realistic. Okay, so as you can see here, we have these ships on the battlefield, and we have these mountains, we have this the sky of the galaxy. It is really looking realistic. So if you just want to change the form from the realistic to anything else, so let's just go with the style CG realism. Just click the generate image again, and you will actually get the different version of the same prompt here. As you can see here, we have this second image that was generated based on our prompt, but with a different image generating format. Okay, so as you can see here, we have these futuristic buildings, and we have the base here. As you can see, this is looking really great. We have this great sky, and I think this is actually, I don't know what it is. Okay, so this is how you can create the 360 image. Okay, so I want to remix this with something new. Okay, so it would be the battlefield in the galaxy with the huge monsters. Alright, so now let's just remix this, and you will be able to see the battlefield with the monsters in the galaxy. Okay, so as you can see here, we have the battlefields in the galaxy, but unfortunately we haven't got the monster, but we got the monster vehicles. Okay, so now let's try something new here, and I will write down a beach with mountains. Okay, so I want to have the hut on the beach, so a hut in beach with the mountains. Okay, so hut. Okay, so I want to have the hut in European style. Okay, and it should be in European style with the mountains. Okay, so we'll simply create a new prompt here, and it would be the scenic, and I will actually generate the depth here, and click on the generate again, and we will be able to see a hut in the beach with the great mountains here. Okay, so as you can see here, we have this great beach and we have the mountains and we have the huts in the European style. As you can see here, this 360 image is really looking great. Okay, so as you can see here, we can see the sky here, and this is how it is looking, and it is fantastic. Okay, so we have generated the enough images with our prompt here. So now let's just explore the other options. Okay, so in this little sidebar, we actually have this move button. With the help of this, we can actually move into our 360 image, and we also have the brush option. So if you want to brush something on to your image, you can simply do it, as you can see here. So let's just undo this. So you also have the eraser here, so you can use it, and we have this guide. So in the guides, we have the sphere grid. As you can see here, we have the sphere grid. Okay, so let's just undo this and click on the hand again. Okay, so now you can see this sphere grid here, and if you want to use the cube grid, you will simply select the cube grid here and you will be able to see the grid on our image. All right, so in the last you have the plane grid. So if you want to have this plane grid, you can simply see it here. Okay, so these are the options that we have in the sidebar. So let's disable this and disable this. Okay, so here we also have the option to download the image. So you can simply download the image from here, and if you want to share the image, you can simply share the image from here. Okay, so let's click on the download, and it would actually download the image. Okay, so now let's just click on the image here, and you will be able to see our 360 image here. Okay, so what if I wanted to post this image onto our Facebook account? So let's go to my Facebook account here, and I want to upload this 360 image on my Facebook page. So how can I do that? Okay, so let's click on the post here, and from here you will actually choose the photo from here, and from here you can actually choose your image. Okay, so we have this image here, so let's open this up. Okay, so right now if I upload this image, it won't be the 360 image just like my previous post here. So as you can see this 360 image. So what I need to do to convert the image into the 360 image? Okay, so for that we actually need to use a tool here, an online tool which actually converts the image into the 360 panorama. Okay, so the website is actually 360photoconverter.com. So what you need to do, you will actually go into this website, and from here you will actually select the image that you have generated with the help of Skybox. So let's just select the image of the beach here, select the image, and from here you actually need to click on the convert, and this would actually convert our image into the 360 panorama, and then we will be able to upload that image onto our Facebook account or the page, and then the post will be in the form of 360 image. Okay, so as you can see here that our image is converted into the 360 panorama. So now let's click on the download photo, and this would actually download our 360 image. Okay, so let's wait for it. Okay, so the image is downloaded. So now we simply go into our Facebook page, and from here I will actually upload the image here. So click on the post and delete this. Okay, so click on the image here, and from here I will actually search for the 360 image. That was the name of our panorama image. So let's click on the open, and you will be able to see this little icon. It simply means that our post is in the form of 360 image. So now let's just click on the post here, and it would upload this 360 image, and now this would upload our 360 image here. Okay, so now you are able to see our image here in the 360 form. Alright, so this is it, and this is how you can upload the 360 image into your Facebook account or the page. Alright, so now let's go back to the Skybox here. Okay, so this is how you can use the Skybox AI of the Blockade Labs, and if you really find this useful, hit the like button and subscribe the channel.